one by one. Okay. Now this is our common. So I can say K. Venkatesh is the manager. Okay. Now this one, these are my individual fields that I have. Correct. Now I have to decide what fields I need. So I will first go and create in Excel. Maybe I have a title. I have a first name. Depends on what I have in my data. Okay. Last name, address, line 1, address, line 2, city, state, pin code. Anything else? If I want an account number, I can give an account number also. Account type, account number. Srimay, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I'm going to populate this. So let's say Mr. Ajay Mathur AE 32. Bidhannagar. Maybe Bidhannagar will be the city. Bidhannagar, West Bengal. ऐसी नहीं मिली. I'm just using 3 for now. Okay. After this, I save it as a normal Excel file. I'll call it customer details. And then in this, where I have to do the matching, there I will go up to mailings, select recipients, use an existing list. Customer details. It's in sheet 1. And now I will see my field names. Okay. So I'll wipe this out. Let's start. Title, first name, last name. Okay. Reference is made to your, then I'm saying account type, savings account, current account with number. It depends on what you want to say. Number with our bank. Okay. And if you want a signature here, you can import a signature also. Insert picture. Let's say this is the signature. All right. What is the next step? Go to mailings, you can preview. Okay. Now see, Ajay Mathu, there is no space. Or maybe sector 1, this is too long. You want to move them, then you can go back, put a space here. And we need a date also. So for the date, what you can do is you can put the date from the system. There is an automatic date. You can put a date also like we do in Excel, in the Excel formula. Using that, you can put a date. So now I'm going to generate my file once again. Go to mailings, preview results. If everything is looking fine, then I can go and say edit individual documents from 1 to 3. Say okay.